In this video, we are going to show you how to reset your engine oil life monitor on this Honda Civic. This will be done from inside of your passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Let's get started on resetting our engine oil life monitor. To do that, we're going to be dealing with the steering wheel, specifically along the left-hand side. We're going to be using these buttons. What we need to be paying attention to, not just the steering wheel, but all the way up on the dash, in the center area, is where we're going to find our maintenance screen. We're going to have to scroll to that. For this, I'm going to be using the info button up along the top here. I'm going to scroll through any of these screens until I get to where I need to be. Now I'm going to hit the menu here once I'm on the clock screen. At this point, we want to scroll up one to Vehicle Information. I'm going to press Source directly in the center here. It's essentially an Enter button. Maintenance Info, that's where we need to be. Now I'm going to scroll up to the engine oil life up there. We can see mine's at 10%. Let's go ahead and press that Source button. Do we want to reset this? Yes, we do. Okay, scroll down. I pressed it. Now it says engine oil life 100%. At this point, if you also have done your tire rotation, you can reset that as well. Assuming you're done, go ahead and make your way out from here. I'm going to hit the menu button. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.